Hey guys, welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me show you how to fix the issue in the First Ascendant where the game gets stuck on the loading screen. Open the Steam application and head to your library. Locate the First Ascendant, right-click on it, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the verification to complete. Next, make sure that your Windows is up to date if the issue persists. After that, open the Start menu and then search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and run it as an administrator. Type this and hit Enter. Close the window. If none of the steps work, check for server outages by searching for the First Ascendant server status. Check it online and make sure to follow their official Twitter page for any maintenance updates. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.